Hello there! Recently, we bought something random off of the internet and we did not expect it to be a very fun shirt. So we're now giving away one of these to one of you, so make sure to watch the video to join the giveaway. Let's go! Opening the package, the first thing I have noticed are these free note cards with cute designs, and I love its nice quote right here. So that's definitely a keeper. And here we have a chalk. It's a liquid chalk that comes free with this shirt, so you can easily use its feature without spending much more. And finally, we have here the Chalk Talk shirt that's made out of 100% cotton with a chalkboard paint at the middle. So now let's go and try to draw on this shirt. What I also love about this shirt is that you cannot easily remove the drawing that you made by the hand. But if you do want to erase it, you may do so by washing it with water or simply use a damp microfiber cloth. Since we had so much fun with this shirt, we would like you to experience it too. So we're giving away one Chalk Talk shirt. All you have to do is comment your favorite RHR video, and don't forget to like and share this particular video. Just so you know, this is not sponsored. I bought this from VStore PH for 250 pesos via Shopee. Thank you for watching! Remember that I'm only here to help you with your purchase decisions, because in the end, it's always gonna be your choice, your call. See you in the next video.